At first I was like, what exactly did I get myself into? And then as I learned some more, I'm so amazed by it.
One of the best things about being able to do this work for an entire week is that you really get a depth of knowledge that you don't get in a lot of other settings.
Every single day has been phenomenal, paradigm shifting.
So this workshop gives us a tool set that we can use to develop curriculum, to develop syllabi, to develop projects within courses, to develop a culture.
It is people from a wide variety of fields and responsibilities who are all learning the same tools to take back and apply in different settings.
We all came from different parts of the country, different universities. We hail from different backgrounds, different cultures.
I met a medical doctor earlier. I've spoken with other professors from chemistry to language arts, I believe. And I think what's amazing about it is that we're learning all of these idea creation concepts and then how they can incorporate it from different angles.
There is this focus on empathy and connection with people. You really have to connect with the other people that you're working with to be effective and to be able to test out the things that you're learning.
We always think of academia and maybe even engineering as like a set of code books, a set of rules, and that's not really the way the future is going, right? They need to have critical thinking skills. They need to have design thinking skills.
Design can be applied to any type of situation, any kind of field, any discipline, any sort of roles and responsibilities that you have. So one of the things I really want to take from here are some of the specific activities that have helped to get people unstuck, to really open their minds and start thinking about what do people really need in order to integrate into a community.
I see this as one of my best investments of time into my lifelong learning journey. I mean, where else would you go when it comes to design thinking? Stanford is the cradle of design thinking. The bus is going to leave you. You're going to become antiquated if you stick with the knowledge that you have.
I feel much more prepared to go back and actually implement things that I've learned here because we have adequate time to actually test it out ourselves, ask questions, and learn about it.